And it is a bright and sunny Sunday morning mula po dito sa probinsya ng Pampanga. Mula po dito sa San Fernando and inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center. This is our second day of competition for your Sinag Liga Asia Junior Philippines. And yes po, nandito tayo ngayon sa norte para po sa pagpapatuloy ng ating mga laro. Wherein we have two teams that are looking to get on a good start here. Ito ngang Parañaque Pelicans na nanalo nga po in their opening game. Would like to continue their winning ways and go 2-0, led by this guy, the veteran himself, Jello Obuyes, as they will go up against the debuting Luid Kapampangan that will be coached by Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. And you see there the rest of the Luid Kapampangan gustong makabingwit ng kanilang unang panalo dito sa kanilang debut sa ating SLA Junior Philippines 2024. Magandang araw Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. I will be doing this game with you, Alvin Tanyada, at kasama nga natin former Batang Gilas himself and also Sinag Prince himself. Walang iba, our SLA ambassador, Moore Prince Alaw. Prince, magandang araw sa iyo and excited to work this 2 games with you.
Magandang araw din po, Coach Alvin. Hello mga kasinag. Nandito po ako, Moore Prince Alaw, para mag-analyze and makita ang mga talents ngayon dito sa Pampanga. Excited na.
Afternoon. And syempre, we would like to invite you syempre to like and share our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. Ito, as this will be a good story kasi nga parehas na koponan would like to get a good start. As we take a look first at our 2 games for today. Yes, first game natin, it will be the Parañaque Pelicans going up against Luid Kapampangan. And then yung second game natin, exciting din yan, TGC Santa Rosa Saints will be going up against the Hustle Rising Suns. And now let's take a look now at our participating teams dito sa ating tournament na to, as we will take a look at the teams in the Born 2001 bracket. Ayan, Pampanga Delta, EEG, AGTP Basketball, TGC Santa Rosa Saints, San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals Co, then Parañaque Pelicans, and then Hustle Rising Suns, and syempre yan Luid Kapampangan. So Prince, meron tayong 3 koponan mula dito sa area ng North, dito sa Born 2000.
Talagang talented talaga yung mga bata dito sa Pampanga. And syempre, hindi sila magiging ganito ka-talented kundi sa alaga ni Gov Delta, di ba?
Yes.
And nakikita talaga natin na napaka hands-on niya sa mga players niya. Kaya it shows na lang sa game kung gaano sila kagaling, gaano sila kakondisyon, and dahil yun sa tatay nila na si Gov Delta.
Yes, and syempre, ito gusto nitong Luid Kapampangan na makasimula nga ng maganda dito sa kanilang tournament. But let's take a look now at our game story. Kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan, a good start for both squads. Again, Parañaque Pelicans started off well and they want to continue that good start dito sa ating tournament, wanting to go 2-0, pero syempre itong Luid 1 Kapampangan ayaw matalo dito sa kanilang probinsya ng Pampanga.
Syempre, kailangan nila i-defend yung hometown nila, and magagawa lang nila yon if mapaprotektahan nila yung paint, and especially go down kagad sa transition defense. And dahil nakita ko sa warm-up pa lang, napaka-kondisyon nitong Pelicans na to.
Alright, and now let's take a look at the Parañaque Pelicans, yung kanilang first game, yung kanilang last game dito. As we take a look at their squad led by Coach Cesar Babasa, they had a triumphant debut doon sa kanilang laro over at SM South Mall. And you take a look at tingnan muna natin yung yung once again yung triumphant debut, yung Parañaque nanalo kontra sa Santa Rosa 112-102. And you can see the stats here, Prince. Yung bench points, ang laking difference niyan in a game. If lalo na yung bench production mo nakakatulong sa starters.
Syempre, tsaka sobrang laking bagay na lahat sila kaya mag-ambag, coach. Talagang pag yung starters na pagod na, ready yung mga bench players nila to step up and play their best para sa coaches nila and para sa team nila. Kaya nakikita natin dito 74 bench points sobrang laking bagay yun para sa team nila.
And they were led by the best player on that match na si RJ Guerrero with 32 points. And napaka-hot shooting ni RJ Guerrero. He will be a marked man in this matchup. Now, let's take a look at the Louis 1 Kapampangan. Yes, they are debuting here in the season. And let's take a look at their lineup for this game. And kanina nakita na nga natin yun. But this team will be coached once again by Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. And you can see names there such as Daryl Garcia. And then, andyan din si Nathaniel Manarang. But these players are all known players here in the province of Pampanga.
And katulad nga sinabi niyo, Coach, nabanggit niyo, Nathaniel Manarang, kaka-best player lang yan dun sa debut game nila sa 19 under sa Leap Basketball. And nandyan din si Soliano, big man ng San Beda Red Cubs na willing tumulong sa Pampanga para mapakita nila yung lakas ng Kapampangan sa iba't ibang lugar.
Yes, and excited nga itong Louis 1 Kapampangan to debut here in front of their mga Kapampangan dito sa loob ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center. And right now, eto, nakahatag na ang ating mga laro for today. Eto nga, coming up, it will be the Parañaque Pelicans going up against Louis 1 Kapampangan. Simulan na natin to. Let's call on our starters through Ram Valid.
Good afternoon, mga kasinag, live from the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to SLA Junior Philippines, born 2001. Presented by Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Sinag Liga Asia social media channel, Sinag Liga Asia FB page, and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV, powered by Converge ICT Solutions. We got the doubleheader games for the day 2 of the competition, featuring our first match. It's the battle between Parañaque Pelicans and your Louis 1 Kapampangan. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First for your visiting team, Parañaque Pelicans. At guard number 81, Jov Santos. Shooting guard number 8, Justin Pelayo. At center number 11, Angelo Peñari Tonto. At forward number 15, John Mark Besanges. And also at forward number 12, Jigs Guerrido. Parañaque Pelicans is led by Coach Cesar Babasa. Assistant coaches, Lester Cantoria, Jonathan Kumilang, and Earl Zunga. Team manager, Mr. Tony Juarez. Your Parañaque Pelicans. And now let's meet the starting five for your Louis 1 Kapampangan. Starting at forward number 16, MJ Ilopsa. Also at forward number 34, Randem Zembulan. At center number 00, Rad Soliano. At guard number 2, Nathan Manarong. And also at guard number 77, CJ Boy Deezer. Louis 1 Kapampangan is led by head coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. Assistant coach Benji Navarro. Your Louis 1 Kapampangan. Game official charge in action. Dennis Escaros, Michael Galatera, and Erson Birds Ezuga. This is your Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
And the starters have been called out para sa Parañaque Pelicans. It's Justin Pelayo, Angelo Peña Redondo, Jigs Guerrido, JM Besanges, and Geoffrey Santos. Para sa Louis 1 Kapampangan, they will start off with Rad Soliano, Nathaniel Manarang, MJ Elospa, Random Simbulan, and CJ Butison. And basket kagad dito para sa Parañaque. Quick score kagad para dito kay Angelo Peña Redondo.
Ganda ng pasa sa kanya ng number 81, Coach.
Yes,
Yun yung maganda sa point guard. Kailangan wide vision sila palagi.
and that was a good pass. Yes, you said Geoffrey Santos there with a nice pass as Angelo Peña Redondo will shoot the bonus here. He missed that. And you can see itong starters ngayon ng Parañaque Pelicans. You can see walang RJ Guerrero, walang Jello Ubuyes. These are players na Kaya yung mahihirapan ka dahil ang lalim talaga ng bench nitong Parañaque Pelicans.
As we can see naman sa previous game nila, 74 points, hindi biro yun, coach. So talagang maaasahan nila yung bench nila.
And yun nga, ganun nga ka-importante ang bench production kasi hindi pwedeng puro starters lang ang gagawa dyan. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Butison. 5 seconds. They have to make a play. That's a good steal. Santos will go all the way for the score.
Gusto ko yung Santos, ha? Simple lang, ha? Pero talagang may mapapakita.
Alam mo yung Santos, parang may naalala ko, parang Moore Prince Alaw. Shot from the corner, no good. Masyado mahina. And they go on the break here. We're talking about the Pelicans. Besañez passes it on top to Querido. Nice find! At yun, Joffrey Santos. You can see there, 3 plays. Pero yung 3 plays na yun, lahat halos sa kanya.
Including Santos.
Oo.
I think the Luwid should always focus on their defense of honor of the ball para nakikita nila yung court.
And that's a foul there. See the foul? 81 there. Joffrey Santos will be going for the foul as we take a look at this lakas drive of the game. Atin sa inyo ng Converge. Nice find there para dito kay Justin Pelayo. And again, talking about the tatlong plays nila, halos dumadaan kung hindi si Santos ang umiscore, siya yung nag-orchestrate.
Talagang malalim yung point, yung mga guards nitong Parañaque,
Yes.
coach.
And
Good
here,
rebound.
that's a good defense and stop there. Pelayo gets the ball. Balik dito. The drive to Querido. Querido, the shot, and he was smothered there by the defense, pero napupulot niya ulit ang bola. Besañez goes inside. Peña Redondo, the turnaround, no good. And another pass. And James Querido scores. Ito, magandang simula dito.
Start. That's a good start by Parañaque. And katulad nga po ng sabi ko kanina, coach, kailangan ng Luwid, yung defense nila, nakikita nila all around the court. And yung iba kasi parang nakatalikod sa bola, so napapasa ng maganda.
And right now, it's 8-0 ang ating score. Parañaque Pelicans on top.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
And we are back here mula sa loob ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center for day number 2 ng inyo pong SLA Junior Philippines Showcase. And maganda yung panimula dito ng Parañaque Pelicans as itong Luwid Kapampangan. Kailangan pa talagang mag-work nung kanilang opensa all around.
Siguro dahil first game nila to, naninibago sila, coach. Pero sobrang ganda ng start ng Parañaque.
Let's take a look at the numbers of Jigs Querido in that last matchup kontra Santa Rosa. Double-double performance for him. 12 points, 11 rebounds, and 5 assists, 1 steal. Malaking bagay din yung bigs nila performing here in dito para sa kanila.
Good pass.
Oh, nice
Good
point
pass.
there. Simbulan scores first 2 points ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Santos to Querido on top. And Querido, well defended by Yumul. And Querido goes inside the pass. And Santos no good, rebounded. And a stick back there mula dito kay Besañez.
Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, coach, they have to locate their man. Nathaniel man.
Oo, yung weak side kasi, no? Walang nakakuha ng rebound there in the good box out dapat. Ang gawin nitong Luwid 1 Kapampangan. No good on the shot, pero another rebound. Offensive boards killing them right now. Itong Luwid Kapampangan.
Sobrang sipag ng guards nitong Parañaque, coach.
Yeah, nice find. Simbulan with the reverse.
Ganda ng ginagawa ng big man nila.
Oh yes, you are right there. Si Simbulan, puro siya. But the problem is, where are the other players? They need help here. Talking about itong Luwid 1 Kapampangan, Prince. And Let's take a look at this lakas assist of the game brought to you by SM South Mall. We've got it all for you. Pero ang problema dito nitong Luwid 1 Kapampangan, hindi pa nila nakukuha yung talagang takbo nila dito except for Simbulan.
Well, makukuha nila yung momentum nila, coach, by doing the defense first. Kasi sa defense magsisimula yung momentum nila. And nakikita natin dito, pag atake sila ng atake, mas marami silang chance.
And there you go. They need more of that. Ito, nakascore dito si MJ Elospa. Pero nakikita mo, ang bilis kagad ng takbo ng opensa. Nitong upo na ng Parañaque. As RJ Guerrero has been sent in now. And ito si Jello Ubuyes. Itong backcourt tandem na to ng Guerrero Ubuyes. Ito yung aabangan talaga natin dito sa laban na to because these two players are offensive-minded guards.
Tama, coach. Pero kailangan nila dumipensa rin dahil yung Luwid nakukuha na nila yung momentum nila by dishing the ball to the big man.
Yes. O Simbulan naman yung pumepwesto sa loob. So, it's the guards o Parañaque kontra sa big nitong Luwid 1 Kapampangan. And a good block. Talking about the bigs there.
Good block.
Yumol with a nice block there.
And ito na, transition na.
A nice pass sana pero natapik doon.
So, coach, ngayon nakikita natin sumasabay sila sa transition ng Parañaque.
And let's take a look at this lakas play of the game natin sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Ligasha. 3 ball on the way. That's money para dito kay CJ Botison.
May kamay yun, coach, ha?
Oo. Isipin mo, we started off 8-0 but it was a quick 11-4 run na itong Luwid 1 Kapampangan.
Dahil nasa defense nila yung coach.
Yes.
Simula sa defense and offense will follow. Ano kayang gagawin niya?
Ubuyes with a long 3. That's money!
Kakasabi mo lang, coach, yung tandem ni Guerrero tsaka ni Ubuyes, eto na, nagsisimula na.
Yes, and ganun ka-importante yung opensa nito ni Jello Ubuyes dito sa koponan ng Parañaque. Yamson, the pass here. The tough drive and the score para dito kay MJ Elospa. 4 points already para kay MJ Elospa.
Pansin ko kay Elospa, coach, siya yung player na attack first. Talagang inaatake niya lahat ng angles na makikita niya and yun yung nire-resulta sa score niya.
And coming from the outside and going inside. And let's take a look at this lakas stress of the game brought to you by Sun Sport, the official ball of Sinag Ligasha. And that drive, may foul doon. Pag-drive. Let's see, the foul will be called on MJ Elospa.
Kailangan isipin ni Elospa yung mga foul niya kasi so far so good. Marami siyang ginagawa ngayon for their team.
4 minutes and 5 remaining here in this first quarter. Maction kagad ang panimula dito. And that's a block there. Takbo dito sa kabila. Botison. The drive and the score.
Again, defense to offense. So sobrang ganda ng ginagawa ng Luwid ngayon.
Coast to coast yun, simula sa dulo.
Yes,
sa
coach.
dulo. RJ Guerrero. Yan ang aabangan natin dito.
Ito na yung tandem na sinasabi mo, coach.
And right now, it's 18-15. After Luwid 1 Kapampangan na ay tabla na sa 15 kanina. Elospa. The pass inside to Yumul. Medyo binomba pa yon. Elospa gets it. Labas muna. Botison mula sa 3. No good. Rebounded by Quirido. Forward pass to Guerrero. Guerrero spots up. No good on the 3. And there will be a foul.
That's a foul. That's a foul.
Yes, on Hans Quirido.
Pero heat check kay Guerrero yun, coach.
Oo. Siyempre, kita mo yung open siya doon sa kabila. Dito, mas open siya. Bakit di mo nga naman subukan?
And syempre, credits na yun sa coach niya kay Coach Cesar Babasa dahil binibigyan niya ng kumpiyansa yung mga players niya. And kitang-kita naman natin, transition 3, parang Steph Curry.
And if you have a license to shoot, bakit nga naman hindi? Di ba? Itira mo ng itira, papasok at papasok naman yan. Kasi ito, Yamson, mayroon din siyang go signal to shoot. Pero look at that. Towering presence nitong Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Yen Esguerra with the rebound and the stick back. So dito natin nakikita ngayon yung difference ng height nitong Luwid 1 Kapampangan as that is A good shot by Yen Esguerra. At dito kailangan trabahuhin itong Louis Juan Kapampangan. Yung kalamangan nila sa height.
Opo, coach. And hindi lang si Esguerra, big man nila, may Soliano pa.
Yes,
So kailangan talaga nila magtrabaho sa ilalim para makuha itong panalon to.
As we said earlier, it's the battle between the guards of Parañaque kontra sa bigs naman nitong Louis Juan Kapampangan. Villapando, the shot, no good. And rebound once again by Louis Juan Kapampangan. Tumatakbo na naman ang mga naka-violet. Butuyan. Oh! Parang bumangga ka sa pader doon.
Pero if I were him, I would take that shot na, coach. Dahil libre na siya, so kailangan kumpiyansa na lang.
3-on-1 fast break.
Pass.
Yamson with the score. And it's now a 1-point lead for Louis Juan Kapampangan. 2 minutes and 9 remaining here. Obuyes. And there is an offensive foul.
Foul. Kitang-kita ng ating referees yun. Pero now, kailangan ng Parañaque mag-restart. Kailangan nila isipin na mabuti yung offense nila dahil every situation counts.
Let's take a look at that fast break. Nice pass to Yamson. And they now lead by 1 courtesy of that shot. Gusto pandagdagan itong Louis Juan Kapampangan. Enter the 2-minute mark of our first period. Yamson bitin yung dress. And now Obuyes, the pass here. Villapando. Balik kay Obuyes. Long 3-pointer. And that is a miss there. Fast break by Louis Juan. Nice pass sana. Pero hindi nakahanda doon si Yamson.
Sayang yun. Sayang yun.
Sayang na pagkakataon sana para dito sa Koponan. And a timeout is called now by the Parañaque Pelicans. Their lead, that is as much as 8 earlier, nakuha na ng Louis Juan Kapampangan as they take a 1-point lead into this timeout, 19-18.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
And right now, take a look at True Religion and Jeans. Yan po, isa sa mga co-presenters natin, True Religion Philippines. Thank you very much for your all-out support sa Sinag Liga Asia and to your SLA Junior Philippines. As Louis Juan Kapampangan now takes a 1-point lead here in this match-up. Villapando, the 3. Masyadong malakas. And Hans Querido with the rebound. Querido. Inside drive and the score there for the big man, Hans Querido.
Yan na, lumalaban na yung big man ng Parañaque sa big man ng Louis, which is maganda tong panoorin, coach.
Hans Querido finished with 10 points in their last match up. As a wide open there for the 3, no good. Rebounded here by Louis Juan or by Parañaque. Obuyes. Ayun, yung sinasabi natin kanina at the top of the coverage, the veteran that Jello Obuyes is. Marami nang napaglaruan din itong mga tournaments.
Tsaka kita-kita ko naman, coach, sa pagdadala niya ng bola, talagang matured na siya maglaro.
Yes. Substitution here. And Parley Dimla will check in to the ball game. Papalitan si Butuyan. Guerrero. Catch and shoot there, no good. Nice pass!
Good pass.
By Hans Querido. Pero hindi na ipasok yun ni Claudio Gonzalez, but he will shoot 2 free throws there.
Ganda, not gonna lie, coach, ang ganda ng pasa na yun.
Let's take a look at that. You know, ang ganda ng pasa. Nahanap pa niya yun sa ilalim.
Parang Nikola Jokic.
As Gonzalez will make the first here. Second free throw here para dito kay Claudio Gonzalez. And it trickles in. So it's 22-19 the score. And palitan pa rin ng tao dito. Rebellios pinasok na dito sa laro ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Simbulan, who started off well here. Simbulan, no good. Rebounded by the Pelicans. Villapando, inside. And kita mo na hihirapan sila dito. Sa pagpuwesto na sa loob to si Hans Querido.
Tsaka magulang siya maglaro. Alam niya yung angle kung saan siya pupunta, kung saan siya makakakuha ng bola, at kung saan siya mas madaling makakascore, coach.
And now Hans Querido will shoot two. The first one is no good for Hans Querido. Go being a point guard yourself, Prince. Nakikita naman natin how you play. But when you find an open big man inside, ano yung makita mo si Kiambao sa ilalim or si Policarpio sa ilalim without that mismatch, do you usually take advantage with that mismatch?
Talagang bibigay ko na agad yung bola, coach. Dahil minsan kasi yung mismatch na yun, it will lead to score, foul. Basta it will always lead on our advantage. So
Yes.
pag may ganun, bigay mo na agad.
Three-pointer by Obuyas, no good. And that will end our first quarter of action. We're in. Ito nga ang koponan ng Parañaque Pelicans after leading by as much as 8 points in this opening quarter ay nakuha na nga ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan ang kanilang laro as they are down here by 2 entering the second quarter of action, 23-21.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Sila pwedeng masatisfied kahit meron na silang panalo dahil yung Luwid 1 Kapampangan daw ay one of the toughest at mahirap kalabanin. May samahan na daw itong mga ito kaya pinagandaan nila ito ng sobra as they also have an home court advantage. Kung ano daw pinakita nila last game against Santa Rosa, dodoblehin pa daw nila yun ngayon. Let's see if they will take their second win. But now, balik muna sa inyo, Alvin and Mer.
Thank you very much. And that was MJ Raimundo, the third member of our team today. And ito nga po, Alvin Tañada together with the Sinag Prince himself, more Prince Alao. And Prince, that first quarter, it was a tale of two different starts. We started off slow for Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Maganda yung sinimula nga nitong Pelicans. But it's in the last few minutes kung saan nakuha na nga nitong Luwid 1 Kapampangan yung kanilang rhythm.
And katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, coach, nakuha nila yung momentum nila by playing defense. And dun sa defense na pinakita nila, it resolves to a score agad.
Yes, and ito, pasimula na natin second quarter,
foul.
foul kagad dito
Foul
si
talaga.
Butison.
Acting foul, kasama CJ Boytison is first.
First personal there by CJ Buitison.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
14-second shot clock dito, pasimula ng ating second quarter. Gonzales
Good
back
pass.
to Buyes. Kaya na, doon yung depensa, pero ito, tres na kagad ni Guerrero, no good. And Hans Querido, siya yung
talaga.
nagiging susi, no,
Yeah.
dito.
Kahit siya lang yung big man ng Parañaque, talagang worth it siyang bigyan ng playing time dahil sa pinapakita niya.
Yes. And he's coming off the bench, ha. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung bench points. Yun yung pinakamalaking factor kung bakit nga sila nanalo kontra dito sa Santa Rosa. Buitison, shot is good. Pero alam mo, ang bilis kagad ang balik, oh. Guerrero, Paul Zapatrino, good.
Dapat wag sila makampante pag nakashoot. Talagang kailangan pillars, balik agad. Go straight back to defense.
Yes. Buitison. To
Good
Esguerra,
pass.
nice find.
Good pass.
At nagising na itong koponan ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan, tabla tayo ngayon sa 25.
And that's coaching 101, coach, ha? Pag 2-3 zone, talagang yun yung play ng mga teams. 1-3-1.
Oo, bawi ka agad ng dapat yung maayos nila kagad yung opensa nila at nahanap nila yung mga butas eh. Villapando, good defense by
Good
Esguera. And nakikita ko dito, Coach Cesar Mabasa, medyo napapa-newin na lang eh. Kasi ang ganda ng simula nila, pero they lost their groove here. Simbulan!
Katulad nga po ng sabi nyo kanina, coach, it's a battle of the big mans and the guards of Parañaque. And now, they're taking the lead na.
Yes, so itong mga bigs nila, Simbulan, Esguera, sila yung mga pumupukpok dito para sa Luwid 1 Kapampangan.
Good D. That's good effort by number 77.
And they have limited itong si Obuyes at saka si Guerrero. As we take a look at this last play, they're wide open to si Simbulan do sa painted area.
At mukhang napansin ni Coach Babasa yon dahil yung mga pinasok niya is dalawang big man
Oo.
para maharap yung big man ng Luwid.
Oo, pero ito, pinasok naman si Elospa, which did a good job also in that opening quarter.
Yeah, by attacking and attacking the paint.
Ito, struggling si Obuyes, struggling din si Guerrero. After hitting their first 3-pointers, ha? Simbulan,
Wow.
nice find.
Good thing about their big man, coach, is he's running. He's running and running and running and waiting for the point guard to feed him na lang. So that's
Isipin
good.
mo, no? Parang hindi
Parang
big
wing.
man, eh, no? Parang wing.
Oh, that's a careless turnover.
Ito, Prince, bilang point guard, kasama natin, pero let's take a look at that nice find to Simbulan all the way for the score. Now, Prince, pinag-uusapan natin bilang a point guard, pag nagkakamali ka with that 8-second violation usually, ano sinasabi ng mga coaches sa'yo? Without defense, walang depensa, tinatawid mo lang yung bola, pero na-miss mo yung 8-second violation.
Sobrang, siguro as a point guard, mortal sin yun. Lalo na kung wala ka naman depensa.
Oo.
Kumbaga, yung wala ka sa focus nun, coach. And thank God naman, hindi ko pa na-experience yun. Pero feeling ko as a point guard, you have to take care of the ball and take care of that possession.
Parang nararamdaman ko na, baka mamaya biglang sermon ka kay Coach Topex niyan, pag ganyan.
Baka pauwiin ako nun.
Miss there. Boy Tison. Yun, nahahabol yung bola. Masyadong malakas nga yung pasa na yun. Pero,
Oh!
nice find there. Pero
That's a
sayang.
traveling. That's a traveling.
Nilift niya yung pivot niya kasi pag-drive niya dun.
Na-excite ng onte. Na-excite
Oo.
ng onte.
6 minutes and 34 remaining here. Obuyes. Pass it up.
I feel like Obuyes needs to step up.
Yes. Jigs Querido. Pass to Santos. Ito si Santos, maganda yung simula. But he has been silent na, no?
Yeah.
At he needs to step it up once more. Villapando, the perimeter shot, no good.
That's good defense by Luwid. Talagang di nila pinapatake. And good
Oh,
pass!
yun na
That's a
naman,
good
no?
pass. Oh, no.
Ang ganda sana ng pass, ha?
Ganda.
Pero
Give and go.
kinulang nga lang. Jigs Querido. Nice pass inside.
Ganda
Yun yung
rin.
magandang
Yun yung
ginagawa. Oo. Yun yung magandang ginagawa nila from start kanina na medyo nawala eh. Here,
Yeah.
because they were taking 3-pointers left and right itong Parañaque Pelicans.
Pero just to give credit sa big man ng Luwid, coach, sobrang gusto ko how he plays. Talagang pag nakashoot siya, wala nang kahit anong arte or yabang. Diretso defense agad.
And
Which is
MJ,
maganda.
MJ lost pa there.
And
Another one. 8 seconds na naman. Ito, may depensa na. Pero, wala eh. And let's take a look at this. The cast assist of the game brought to you by SM Southball. We've got it all for you. And,
I feel like Obuyes needs to think when he's in the bench.
yes.
Kailangan
oo.
ma-reflect niya yung mga gagawin niya kasi siya yung main man ng team nila. And if he's gonna do that, wala, mahihirapan sila to... Oh!
Wow, that's a basket. What's a foul there? Para kay CJ Buitison. And you can see, itong Buitison together with itong si Elospa has been doing well here. And you can see there, that is a lakas drive of the game brought to you by Converge ICT.
Silang dalawa yung nagbubuhat.
Oh,
Not literally buhat, pero sila yung nagsisimula ng momentum nila.
And at careless turnover there para dito sa Pelicans.
Pelicans needs to take care of the ball and needs to take care of the possession for them to make it up on time.
Yes, so parang di sila mahirapan dito. And ito, inside. Kaya lang mintis yun. Para dito kay Pio Quinto. Santos.
Santos needs to step up.
Yes. Ganda nga nung simula niya kanina. Doon sa 8-0 na start nila, 3 doon, siya yung naging catalyst.
Papansin natin, coach, hindi sila pinapaatake ng Luwid.
Oo, dahil nga yung depensa, yung big man, andyan na. Pero 3-pointer by Rubio, no good. Rebounded, nice pass inside.
Oh!
Pero nakikita mo, yung ganun lagi yung play nila. Go with that extra passes. But the problem is na hindi nila nakukuha.
Hindi nila na-execute na maayos.
The execution needs to work on another level here. Buitison, extra pass ngayon inside. No good. Sayang na oportunidad. Pero Simbulan, the drive. And still no good for Simbulan.
Yan.
Forward pass there to Guerrero.
Again, they have to take care of the ball if they want to catch up.
Oo, 6 na nga itong lamang nila. Gusto pandagdagan. That's a miss. Inside, that is a block. Access denied. Santos. Santos na, agaw ang buko. Nakuha ni Jigs. And Jigs will troop to the free throw line to shoot 2.
Kanina, kaya lumamang ang Paranaque dahil mabilis na sila, na-execute pa nila yung mga plays nila. Pero ngayon, they're being careless. So I think, para mas malalo silang makahabol sa score na to, kailangan nilang maging careful sa bola and make the right decisions.
Jigs Querido will now shoot 2 free throws here. As Jigs Querido scored 12 points in that match up against Santa Rosa.
Double ata siya doon, coach, no?
Yes, 12 points and 11 rebounds. Pinag-uusapan natin. But the Querido brothers, 22 points combined for them. So, malaking bagay talaga yung performance ng dalawang ng Querido brothers to help itong si Angelo Ubuyes and also itong si RJ Guerrero. Pero, they are missing the services of itong si Austin Jacob who scored 14 points in that last matchup. So, yun yung inaantay nila dito, yung tulong ng isang tulad ni Austin Jacob. As Elospa scores,
and katulad kanina, Elospa, atake ng atake, finding that gap para mas lalo siyang maging makascore.
Guerrero no good. The shot, Piedad.
That's a foul.
There's a foul there. Boitison will be called for the foul. And you see here that Luis Juan Kapampangan still on a good rhythm here in this quarter. And that's a miss there by Guerrero. And Guerrero struggling here.
Yeah.
Yan 32 points nung first game nila. Pero ngayon, only 3 points. And no one gets the ball there. Napunta pa rin sa Luis Juan Kapampangan. Pero yung drive doon, natapik. Shot clock at 12 seconds.
Ngayon, sasabihin ko naman sa part ng Paranaque that they have to play defense for them to catch up on time. Dahil ngayon, Luwid na ang nagko-control ng laro natin.
And now, ito pala, bola pala ulit ng Paranaque dito. 3 minutes remaining here in the second quarter. Angelo Ubuyes, tinawid na niya ng maayos. Ayaw nga niyang matawagan ulit ng 8-second violation. That drive by Jello Ubuyes. And kita mo, one-man show for him. But that is not the Paranaque Pelicans kind of game, you know?
Talagang takbuhan sila, coach, and they like to share the ball.
Elospa, inside to Dimla. Loose ball, scramble. And a 3 ball on the way, that's short. Rebounded. Picked up once again by the smallest
The smallest
person
player in the court.
on the floor. Pero naagaw dito. Eto, Guerrero. The layup, no good still.
Wasn't able to execute.
And pasa, and that is a turnover.
Pero as we can see, coach, they have more options to score if they play defense.
Let's take a look at this drive there by Jello Ubuyes.
Parang binato lang.
Yes, pero yun yung laro niya. Kaliwete siya, so dumaan siya sa kaliwa, tinira niya ng pakaliwa. So, That is his play
Signature.
talaga, no? Signature move
Oh.
that going inside. Santos there. Balik kay Ubuyes against Yamson. Ito mismatch sa tangkaran, no? Pero medyo nanggigil. Ito si Jello Ubuyes.
And credits na rin sa dumipensa. Sobrang talagang tinigasan niya. And yung pag nung nakita niya i-extend na yung elbow, yun, wala. Nakuha niya na ng offensive foul.
And if you are a point guard, example, you are going up against the likes of, yun nga, mas matangkad sa'yo, Prince, you have to stand firm, no?
Yeah.
Para hindi ka tawagan either ng flop or ikaw ang tatawagan in favor of you.
And always be mindful kung saan yung help side, coach.
Oo.
Para dun mo sila isi-send.
O, para yung tulong. Andun talaga, no?
Pero so far, yung mga point guard na nakakalaban ko, I'm much taller than them. So ako yung
Yes.
pumuposto sa kanila.
Oo, yun yung malaking advantage mo nga, Prince, because you are a wide body point guard. Kaya mo postehan kahit sino. Let's take a look at that nice pass inside. And that lakas assist of the game ay hatid sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you and we've got a 6-point lead here for Luwid 1 Kapampangan, 37-31.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
And we would like to thank one of our co-presenters, CDO Food Sphere Incorporated, food that brings you home. And syempre maraming salamat din sa Converge ICT Solutions. And also Royce Hotel and Casino, maraming salamat, the official hotel partner of Sinag Liga Asia. And 1 minute and 30 remaining here. 90 seconds eksakto natitira sa ating second quarter. Alvin Tañada together with Prince Alao bringing you this one of double-header games ng inyong SLA Junior Philippines. Born 2001. At ito, born 2001, Prince. Ito mga halos kasing edaran mo to. Mas bata ka lang ata, mga 2 years, 3 years.
3 years.
But yeah, you can see here. And post up there by Jello Ubuyes. And syempre, maraming salamat din sa ating very supportive provincial governor of the province of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa Sinag Liga Asia. At syempre, not just sa Sinag Liga Asia but also to all the players na naglalaro dito. Dito mo makikita yung passion talaga ni Gov Delta sa lahat ng mga, not just sa mga Kapampangan, but all over the young players all over the Philippines.
Talagang yung pagmamahal ni Gov sa basketball is sinishare niya sa iba para maiwas sila sa kahit anumang bisyo at maglaro na lang sila ng basketball at baka sakali maabot nila yung pangarap nila by becoming pro.
Yes, a sports-minded governor, si Gov Delta.
Tsaka marami na po siya naging alaga na nasa PBA na ngayon.
Yes,
And sobrang thankful sa kanya dahil inalagaan niya.
Actually, not just in the PBA but also in other leagues. Remember, Justin Baltazar, his own player right now for the Pampanga Giant Panthers. Pero naglaro rin yan internationally. Naglaro rin sa Gilas. So, ang daming mga players na mga nag-alaga nga nito ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And Santos makes the first free throw off the rebound and a foul. Dahil penalty na nga itong Luwid 1.
Malay natin, Coach, the next player na magiging katulad ni Justin Baltazar is nandito. Naglalaro sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Yes, for Luwid 1 Kapampangan. And now, it's just a 2-point lead for Luwid 1 Kapampangan.
Para makalayo ang Luwid, Coach, kailangan nila ng shooting ni Nathaniel Manarang.
Yes.
Katulad ng ginawa niya sa 19 under.
And that is his calling card, yung kanyang 3-point shooting.
Talaga.
Esguerra now inside, and he lost the ball there. Fast break, here we go. Ubuyes!
Same move, no?
Same move, kaya lang yung pektus niya, pakaliwa, missed that shot.
Good
Team La with a
pass!
score there.
Good pass! Matalino tong number 77.
Yes, ito si CJ Buitison.
And yun yung keys, coach, pag point guard ka. Kailangan, kahit tumatakbo ka, yung mata mo, nakikita mo lahat all around the surroundings sa court.
And then, taking a look at the lakas play of the game, atin sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asia. Kita mo hindi siya nakatingin doon sa iba tinitingnan niya, yung kanan ang tinitingnan niya, pero nandun sa kaliwa
Kita
yung
niya
pasa eh.
Kaso, coach, na offensive foul siya.
Yon. Dito sa side na to, so possession will stay here with the Pelicans. Santos goes out using that Jigs Querido screen.
Santos needs to attack that screen.
Yes, so kaya alam, nag-aalangan nga siya dito and that's a foul there on Nat Manarang. First personal foul on Nathan Manarang. As Jello Buyes will shoot 2 free throws here. First one for Jello is good.
And nagsisimula na rin siya mag-init, which is good for Parañaque Pelicans para mas lalo silang makahabol and kunin na yung lamang.
Jello Buyes, syempre. Tubong Las Piñas yan. Syempre, mga kasama, mga katropa niya. Oo. Nice rebound there. Manarang, kaya lang yung mga ganong klase ng errors, no? Unforced errors. Pwede mo pang habulin yun para kahit paano ihagis mo. Malay mo may kakampi kang makakakuha nun. 6.9 seconds remaining. Santos. The pass.
Good day.
Another turnover here for Parañaque. And the Pelicans have been silenced here in the first half of action as the Luid Juan Kapampangan got in a groove here in the first half as they take a 3-point lead here, 39-36, as we take a look at the highlights here as CJ Buitison has been doing wonders here. Pero syempre for the Parañaque Pelicans, they have Hans Querido doing wonders here, but Simbulan and the rest of the Luid Juan Kapampangan looking good here. Jello Buyes gustong sumubok na mahabol pa to para sa kanilang koponan. But again, Luid Juan Kapampangan has a 3-point lead here at the half, 39-36. Magbabalik po tayo for the halftime stats and the third quarter action dito sa inyong SLA Junior Philippine Showcase.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free.
New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, kain love. Love talaga, kahit di sabihin.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free.
New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free.
New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
At nakatutok pa din kayo dito sa SLA Junior Philippines Born 2001. And this is the battle between Parañaque Pelicans versus Luid 1 Kapampangan. Bago natin balikan ang mainit na labanan ng dalawang koponan, kausapin muna natin ang assistant coach at head coach ng dalawang koponan. Let's start first with the assistant coach ng Parañaque Pelicans. Now coach, last game you won against the Santa Rosa Laguna. Tinambakan nyo sila pero nakahabol sila at naging close game yon. Now, paano nyo bibit-bitin yung panalo nyo last time dito ngayon sa first game ng Luid 1 Kapampangan at ito pa yung home court nila?
Siguro para mabit-bit namin yon, the players should follow the system of our head coach Cesar Babasa. And I think naman they were prepared well by our head coach and assistant coaches.
Now, Coach, I'm giving you the opportunity para batiin or pasalamatan lahat ng sumusuporta sa Parañaque Pelicans.
First of all, thank you kay Coach Cesar Babasa for putting up this team. Kay Sasol and Cagayan family. Kay Doms, Maribay. And of course, kay Boss Glenn Ordaneta ng GRA Apparel. Thank you very much for the uniform.
Now, dito naman tayo sa head coach ng Luid 1 Kapampangan na si head coach Jonathan Buwan. Now coach, ito yung first game nyo for the whole tournament and yung first game nyo ay isa sa mga strongest team. Meron na po silang one-win advantage. At paano po ba kayo nag-prepare dito? Especially meron silang mga key players like Obuyes, Escalante at si Guerrero.
Ano lang, play lang na honest play lang, ganun pa rin. Wala namang pagbabago yung setup namin ng mga coaches namin, no? Depensa lang, yun ang pinaki naman, defense. Yung offense, madali na yan eh. Yun lang, depensa lang namin, yun ang pinaka-key namin para sa kanila. Yun lang naman ang para manaig kami dito.
Now, I'm giving you the opportunity po para batiin lahat ng mga Kapampangan na nanonood po dito sa atin ngayon.
Ayo po, kumusta po sa lahat ng mga taga Pampanga, kahit hindi taga Kapampangan po dyan out there, no? Kumusta po kayo? Lagi po nating huwag kakalimutang subaybayan at supportan po lahat ng team ng mga Kapampangans. Po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Now, once again, that is the assistant coach of Parañaque Pelicans and head coach of Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Balik sa inyo, More and Alvin.
And thank you very much, MJ and Raimundo, with that interview with the two coaches of both the Parañaque Pelicans and Luwid 1 Kapampangan. It's a 3-point lead para dito sa Luwid 1 Kapampangan, 39-36. Alvin Tayana together with the Shining Prince himself, more Prince Alaw. And Prince, yung first half natin saw a lot of difference. Ang ganda sana na simula nitong Parañaque, but the problem is, itong Luwid 1 Kapampangan, nakuha na yung rhythm doon sa end ng first quarter and then doon sa second quarter.
And nakuha nila yun, coach, dahil sa magandang depensa nila. And that lead them to scoring and scoring and running and running. And dahil doon, Simbulan has 10 points right now.
Yes.
And first half pa lang yan. Pero dahil kayang-kaya niya yung mga big man ng Parañaque Pelicans, talagang kinukuha niya yung advantage and yung mismatches.
Let's take a look at the leading scorers here. You can see here, Parley Dimla with 10 points and Jeronel Yamson with 8 points. Ian Esguerra with 6 points. But you can see here, Jello Buyes, Jigs Querido, Hans Querido, the usual suspects for the Pelicans. But no RJ Guerrero here.
Yeah. Dahil siguro, ewan ko kung talagang malas lang siya ngayon or what, pero he has to think about a better shot selection.
And right now, it's 39-36 our score sa ating pagbabalik. We will have the third quarter of action ng bakbakang Parañaque Pelicans and Luwid 1 Kapampangan.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, kain love. Love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, kain love. Love talaga.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. makers of quality uniform.
Tayo nga po ay nagbabalik dito sa 2024 SLA Junior Philippines Showcase mula po dito sa loob ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center mula sa San Fernando, probinsya ng Pampanga. And Alvin Tañada bringing you the ball game here together with the Shining Prince himself, more Prince Alao. And syempre kasama rin natin at the sidelines, AMJ Raymundo, yung mga nagdadala ng mga kwento natin all over this ball game. And Prince, we are about to start the third quarter now. What do you think will be the difference that both teams needs to work on para makuha nila yung panalo dito?
I think both teams will be aggressive more than ever dahil ngayon na yung second half, ito na yung decision making ng game and they have to take care of the ball in every possession. Katulad niyan, turnover and it will only lead to a score by Santos.
And Santos scores there. And again, Santos started off well here in this matchup. Maganda yung nagisimula niya pero nanahimik na siya in the latter stages here. So let's see if Santos can kickstart something here for their squad para maging maganda yung simula nila dito.
And especially Ubuyes, their leading point guard, siya talaga magdadala and mag-i-start ng momentum nila. Katulad niyan,
that's just a
miss
there by Ubuyes. And talking about Jello Ubuyes here, Jello Ubuyes scored 13 points in their last matchup on 5 of 7 shooting from the field. Pero you take a look at that shot there by Joffrey Santos. Pero in this ball game, meron na 2 out of 9 shooting itong si Jello Ubuyes. Napakababa ng porsyento niyan para dito kay Jello Ubuyes.
And siguro dahil napag-aaralan din sila ng Luwid Dahil may previous game na nga sila, na-scout na sila, I think he has to control himself and think about better shot selections para makashoot siya ng kaya.
Whoa! Nice pass there! Behind the back by Santos.
And yan na nga ulit. Si Santos nagpapakita na siya ulit ng kanyang laro.
The catalyst no, ng first quarter natin. Inuulit na naman niya dito. But again, it's not how you start the ball game, di ba? It's how you finish it. And take a look at that nice assist there. Yung lakas assist of the game na inahatid sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you.
Pero katulad ng sabi ko kanina, Coach, when you were asking me what will be the difference, kailangan talaga ng Luwid to take care of the ball and do proper decision making. Dahil yung point guard nila has 2 turnovers straight. So, kailangan niya maging maayos doon. Guerrero.
Esguerra there scoring inside. Tara naman dito.
3 turnovers na.
Oo, 3 turnovers na yan. Jello Ubuyes gets the ball. Ubuyes extra pass.
And when you don't take care of the ball, your opponent will score.
And Jigs Querido scoring once again here para sa pukumanan ng Pelicans. And you can see, 5 turnovers na yan. Nabibilang mo yan.
And dahil sa 5 turnovers na yan, Coach, lamang na ang Parañaque Pelicans.
And good pass once again by the Pelicans. Kanina si Santos. Ngayon, ito namang si Ubuyes. So, the guards once again working good here to start the quarter. But again, how can they finish it? Yun yung question natin dito kasi maganda lagi yung simula nila in the quarters. But the problem is how they finish the quarters.
They have to take care of every possession, Coach.
What a pass na naman dito. Behind the back pero nahuli ni Esguerra.
Laki ni Esguerra.
Oo, iba yun eh.
And siguro doon din makakahabol ang Luwid sa depensa nila and use their height advantage against Parañaque Pelicans.
And Guerrero missing there the 3. And ito pa RJ Guerrero scoring 32 points in the last game. Ngayon,
good pass.
3 points pa lamang si RJ Guerrero dito, Prince. 1 out of 10 shooting from the field. Jigs Querido, nice pass to Santos. Santos missing that gimme.
Sayang yung possession na yun.
And that's a foul on RJ Guerrero. And we're talking about RJ Guerrero as we see him on the screen. 32 points in that game against Santa Rosa. Ngayon, 3 points lang on 1 out of 10 shooting. Mabigat ba yun kapag alam mong nakascore ka ng ganong karaming puntos in your first game and then in the second game, ganyan na yung opensa mo, bumagsak yung scoring mo?
If I were him, di ako madadown dahil syempre coming out of that score sa first game niya and kakascore niya lang ngayon, dapat yung kumpiyansa niya, yung composure niya nandun pa rin dahil syempre maagaw niya pa. doon lang tayo makakuha ng confidence. And with confidence itself, makakascore ka ng marami yan. Tiwala lang.
And dapat siguro ang gawin nito ni Guerrero is drive more onto the basket, you
Yeah.
know? Kasi wala na eh. Nagmimimintis ka from the 3-point arc. Get your rhythm back by driving into the lane. Yung pass na naman dito, Santos to Querido.
Or setting up his teammates para mas lalong maging confident siya.
Yes, confidence eh. Yun yung nakikita natin kulang ngayon with RJ Guerrero. And right now, it is a 3-point lead for the Parañaque Pelicans. Simbulan, the pass. Buitison.
Buitison need to step up this quarter.
Yes, so nanahimik na rin siya, no?
Nanahimik siya.
Buitison.
Siya yung nagli-lead ng assist niya.
Yes. 9 points, 7 assists para kay Buitison. As we take a look at that, another nice pass by Santos
Talaga.
dito kay Querido.
The nonchalant player.
Yes, so yun. And Santos already has a total of 4 assists dito sa ating laban.
Pansin ko bumaba yung energy ng Louis Pampanga.
Wow! When you say energy bumaba, eto naman si Santos. Umaangat yung scoring dito. And Santos now with a total of 8 points here.
I think they have to get a player in that will boost their energy.
Oo, kailangan na naman
Kasi
dito.
takbo na ng takbo ang Parañaque Pelicans.
And that is a basket there. That's a goaltending pero sumot din naman. And that's a timeout now that will be called by Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan as their lead has now been disintegrated. At lamang na nga ng 7 ang koponan ng Parañaque dito, 50-43.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
And you're taking a look at the Louis Duan Kapampangan squad na biglang nawala yung kanilang 3 puntos na kalamangan dito. And they would like to get things going here. But before that, let's listen into this report mula kay MJ Raimundo. MJ.
Thank you, Alvin and more. CJ Buitison, the team captain of Louis Duan Kapampangan, will lead his team para makuha ang unang panalo. Advantage daw nila yung home court nila dahil panigurado na kasama nila ang buong Kapampangan. Pero hindi daw sila magiging dependent dito dahil may one-win advantage na yung Parañaque. Kumpiyansa at double effort daw ang ipapakita nila ngayong first game dahil malaking adjustment din daw ang ginawa nila to execute their play ngayon. Despite daw di makuha nila ang unang panalo nila on their home court. Back to you, Alvin and more.
Thank you, MJ. And right on call, kita mo nakatira agad ito si Buitison.
Pamatay sunog yung coach.
Yes, oo. And right now, you see here, Louis Duan Kapampangan.
And kanina we were talking about a player who will bring energy. And energy itself is Elospa.
Yun.
Pinasok na siya ulit ni coach.
As Jello Buyes. Ito si Jello Buyes. Yung energy ba pinag-uusapan na natin dito? Ito walang tigil eh. No? Takbo pa rin siya ng takbo. And he continues to be that point guard na kailangan ito ni Coach Cesar Babasa. Elospa naman.
Oh, the problem with Louis right now is they're not taking care of the ball. They're not taking care of the possession that they have. Kaya kada mistake nila, tatakbo lang ng tatakbo ang Parañaque Pelicans.
As you saw that strong drive there by Jello Buyes. Jello Buyes continuing to step up. Dahil yung kanyang backcourt partner nga dito medyo struggling dito. 2 out of 11 shooting here for this guy, RJ Guerrero. That is another miss. 2 out of 12 from the field. Buitison drive!
Pero credits pa rin kay Guerrero. May kumpiyansa pa rin siya sa tira niya.
Oo, inangatan niya doon. And Jello Buyes. And that was good defense there by Yumul. Dahil hindi niya hinayaan, makakuha ng 3-point play pa rin to. As Rubilios will be called for that foul. You take a look at this hard drive, that lakas drive of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge ICT Solutions. Doble na. Dinoble pa!
Veterano rin na rin itong Buitison, no?
Yes, so kita mo naman dito, lumalabas yung pagiging veterano ng mga gwardiya nila dito. Jello Ubuyes kontra CJ Buitison. These are two veterans na nakikita natin na ginagamit yung utak sa laro, no? Hindi yung puro score lang, orchestrate, pass, ang dami nilang nagagawa.
But I think Buitison needs to control his team right now kasi they're the one who's going out for the lead. So kailangan makontrol niya yung team niya, yung teammates niya.
And again, no Lendel Garcia still para dito sa Luwid 1 Kapampangan. And paano pa kaya kung nandito na si Lendel Garcia? Lendel Garcia, we've seen him in the Delta Cup, how he orchestrates for a palit. So, isipin mo, pagdating niya dito sa Luwid 1 Kapampangan, mapapadali yung trabaho nito ni CJ Buitison.
Tsaka wag natin kalimutan, Coach. May Soliano pa silang big man.
Oo, Soliano tahimik pa nga
At hindi pa naglalaro si Dre Lorenzo dyan, yung big man ng San Beda.
Oo, yun pa. Isa pa yun.
6'6" na may shooting.
Isipin mo yung mga big men nila. Hindi pa masyado nagpe-perform dito. Pero you have Simbulan and Esguerra doing well here. So, sabi nga nito ni Coach Benedict Buwan, we have to just rest muna si Soliano. Pero pag ginailangan natin, balik natin siya. And ito, Santos muli. One-on-one. And Querido, back to Santos. Santos. Pass. Oh, itong James Querido.
Simple lang tong Santos, pero talaga may ibubuga.
Alam mo itong Santos, parang may naalala akong player. Isang player na kakampi mo sa Lasal, Ernest Daha. Someone like that can spot from the outside, drive from the inside, nagpapasa.
Tsaka may depensa pa yun si Daha.
Yes. And that's a 3 there by CJ Buitison.
Yan, dyan na pumapasok kung gaano ka ka-solid mentally.
Yun, mental game na yun. No? Hindi na siya yung physical game. Because again, this is a good... Oh, nice pass na naman dito.
Lahat ng play ng Pelicans, Coach, talagang na-execute nila. Kaya hanggang ngayon, they're leading. Elospa. Good pass din.
Sabi ni Elospa, Prince, meron din kaming ganyan. Buitison fakes it. Santos defending. Good. Simbulan the pass here. The 3 on the way. Elospa, no good. Rebounded by Buitison.
Tinira na ni Buitison yung kanina.
Yes. And naging over-passive lang eh, no? Let's take a look at that 3-point shot there by CJ Buitison.
He just hit a 3, kaya dapat confidence niya mataas to hit another one. Parang Guerrero lang kanina nung first quarter.
Yes. And to back-to-back on that replay is that nice find by Villapando going to Querido for the score inside. So, palitan na magagandang plays yung parehas na koponan.
Ang problema lang, Coach, ang Luwid, di nila na-execute yung iba.
Yun, oo. Kaya nga nalalamangan na ulit sila dito ng Pelicans. Pero remember, maganda yung nilaro nila in that second quarter. So, well, yung halftime lull ba na yun? Medyo, yun ba yung naging problema nila dito na kailangan bang hindi yung pinag-usapan nila, yung makontinue nila dito. Elospa with a shot and dito kailangan.
Yan na. Siya din nagpalayo nung first quarter.
Yes, remember Elospa, hindi masyadong umi-score, pero yung mga ginagawa niya, depensa, yung umu-opensa pa rin siya from time to time. Yung mga weak side niya na help eh, no?
Ganda!
Amaguya, Querido to Querido, the pass. Basket.
Di natin pwede maliitin yung mga big man itong Paranaque Pelicans.
Let's take a look at that. That lakas play of the game hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Ligasya.
Kasi laki ko lang ata itong big man na to, pero talagang may ibubuga eh.
And parang kasing height mo lang ba? So, ibig sabihin, pwede magwardya itong Querido Brothers.
Pwede.
Oo, yun. Angelo Buyes will have to sit it out first. Papahinga muna.
And I think, Coach, yun yung advantage nila sa big man ng Luwid. Maliit sila to the point na kaya nilang mas mabilis sila sa big man ng Luwid.
Yes, and to may halong gigil lang yun. Yumul will call for foul, and Leonardo Mercado nasa loob na rin dito. You see him now.
6 points ang lamang.
Inbounded by Rubio. Balik kay Pelayo. And Pelayo will set things up. Pass to Gonzalez. Villapando, the 3, no good. And both...
Oh, protect the ball.
You can see here, both teams struggling from the 3-point distance here sa ating laro. So, kailangan ma-workout nila. Kung nagsastruggle ka sa 3 points, go inside.
Yeah.
Drive ka.
Katulad yan. Naisahan sila.
Knockout play, no?
Knockout play.
Naisahan nila. Villapando with a score there.
Personally, as a player, yun yung ayoko. Yung bigla na lang kakat. Ay, no?
Oo, naisahan talaga. That last moment of the game.
Yung naghihintay ka na magpa-pop siya, yung pala kakat.
Ay, yung last moment of the game na natin sa inyo na 0107 Management Group Incorporated.
Parang ngayon lang ata pinasok to, pero...
Villapando played in the first half. And Villapando misses the free throw there. Villapando, maganda rin naman yung naging output niya in the first half of action.
Yan na, ito na yung point guard ng Luwid. Kailangan niya mag-isip kung anong gagawin nila for their team.
Yeah, Josh Villapando was scoreless in the first half, pero he had 4 rebounds rather, so he wants to make use of that this quarter para makuha yung opensa niya, pero backcourt violation dito. So, Luwid 1 Kapampangan medyo nag-struggle dito sa ating third quarter.
Coach, ang dami nilang turnover, which is yun yung kailangan nilang protektahan. Dahil lamang sila kanina nung nagsisimula, ngayon lamang na yung kalaban. So, kailangan nilang protektahan yung... Oy, good steal!
Nice steal there by Yamson, and Yamson goes all the way for the score. Now, the question here, Princess, yung pressure ba na marami ng crowd, unti-unti na napupuno itong loob ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Kanina nag-start tayo, wala masyadong crowd.
Yeah.
Now the crowd is starting to build up here.
Yeah.
And ito, jump ball. Ayaw magbigayan para sa players dito. So
that's the energy that Luwid needs.
Pero going back to that question, yung pressure ba na andito ka sa Pampanga, kaharap mo yung mga kababayan mo, yun ba yung nagpapabigat, either nagpapabigat ba sa iyan or dapat ba gandahan mo yung laro mo dahil nandito ka kaharap ng mga kababayan?
For me, ako taga Davao kasi ako eh. And nung naglaro ako sa Davao, hindi ako kinakabahan dahil kumbaga ang para sa akin, hindi ko sila kalaban. Kumbaga, I have their, alam mo yun, may maaasahan ako sa kanila and they're cheering for me personally.
Yes,
so
suporta no?
Kailangan, dapat mas maboost pa yung energy mo kasi nandyan sila to support you guys eh.
Yes.
So dapat di kayo mapapressure.
Yes, you are right there, Prince. And ito, 3 seconds remaining. Yamson, can he get a basket off? No good.
Good effort. That's good effort still.
Yes, good drive there, pero that will not go in as we end the third quarter of action. The Parañaque Pelicans getting a good roll here, but ito si Simbulan continuing to do wonders here. Pero the good passing of the Pelicans from start to finish got them good on a good roll here. Even though ito si CJ Buitison scored lots of basket here. Pero again, the teamwork of the Parañaque Pelicans got them a 6-point advantage entering the fourth and final quarter, 61-55.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
And SLA goes to Visayas para po sa ating SLA Born 2004 and Born 2007. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or contact Mr. Paul Oven, our Deputy Commissioner for Visayas at 091 at the numbers yung kanina flash natin doon at the screen, or you may message Sinag Liga Asia Facebook page for updates. As a fourth quarter started na.
Ni Simbulan dito.
Yes,
Kailangan siya.
Kailangan mag-work double hard na si Simbulan dito because nanahimik na nga siya dito. There's a 3-second violation here. But again, CJ Buitison continuing his good scoring here for the squad. His playmaking skills andun pa rin, but the problem is Simbulan na nahimik na no?
Yeah. Kaya parang wala siyang mapasahan that time.
Buyes to
Ayan na,
Santos.
si Santos na.
Inside pass.
Good D.
Good steal here.
You just have to convert this one.
Oh, almost there. Simbulan inside the pass.
Good pass.
And the
Ayan.
basket there.
Good start. That's a good start for Luwit.
And Yumul scores there. And inside plays na naman nila, no? And just like in the second quarter, yun yung trinabaho nila for them to get that 3-point lead at the half.
Tama, Coach.
Ubuyes inside, no good. Esguerra with the rebound.
And now they're controlling the boards.
And Boy Tison orchestrating itong matchup nila ni Jello Ubuyes. That's a fun matchup at the guard. Simbulan from the outside. That is not his spot. He goes inside. Simbulan masyadong malakas. He gets his own miss, but access denied. Sabi ni Jigs Querido.
Masipag Simbulan. Tira niya, rebound niya.
Let's take a look at that play once again. Access denied. Not in my house, says Jigs Querido. And right now, the Pelicans just has a 4-point lead here. That's a steal by Jigs. Querido. Pass to Santos. Nice pass to Jello Ubuyes. Alam mo yung nabigla siya?
Yeah.
Na nandun pala si Ubuyes, no? Open na.
They just have to convert this one.
And lost pa.
Nice!
And another assist para dito kay CJ Boy Tison.
And ito yung ginawa nila nung first quarter, Coach. They started playing defense. And ngayon, yan
Let's
na.
take a look at this lakas drive of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge. Doble na. Dinoble pa. Lost pa. Well, shoot the bonus here.
1-point lead na. Oh, 2-point lead pa pala. Na-jinx,
Yeah.
na-jinx.
Yan yung mahirap sa ating mga broadcaster. No, mga nakaupo sa panel, minsan sinasabi natin, maganda yung shooting niya, bigla mag-miss ng free throw, no?
Parang naririnig ata tayo.
Jigs Querido now.
Ganda ng pasa.
No good at the shot.
Ganda ng connection ng dalawang big man na to, no? Eto to na rin, no?
No good on the shot
Hey,
there.
good effort by Simbulan, pero hindi nakuha. Sayang.
And Jello Ubuyes, a strong drive there.
Good pass.
And Simbulan goes all the way. Pero bitin, pero foul
I think,
there.
yeah, that's a foul. Yeah. Landing spot.
Mukhang may landing spot dito. Kasi mukhang wala namang sa katawan, pero
Delikado kasi yung dinaanan.
oo. That is what they want to check here on the replays.
Kaya nailang din si Simbulan.
Oo, let's see here the verdict of our officiating crew here. Okay, check nila. Tingnan natin dito, Prince. Let's take this. Simbulan with the drive.
Ayun,
And,
no, Coach.
oo, parang ang term dun parang sa larong kalye, parang
Masasahod.
Masasahod kasi. May something na ganon.
Talagang foul yun. Pero let's see, what's the verdict of our officiating?
Oo, yan. Check talaga nila dito. Let's take a look at this. Another angle din. Wala namang ano eh. Wala namang...
Yeah, walang tumama.
Walang tumama. Pero the thing here is, nung pagbaba niya, may possibility kasing sahod yun.
Tama,
So,
Coach.
yun yung term nga talaga sa mga... And that is a... Oh, that's just a foul. A blocking foul.
Foul lang. Which is okay. Kasi talagang pinoprotektan ng officiators natin dito is maiwas sa injury yung mga player natin.
Yes, that is right there. Simbulan now will shoot 2 free throws here.
Pero good thing here sa SLA, we have emergency people na pwedeng tumulong sa atin.
Yes, oo. Yung ating mga medics nandito rin. Pero again,
isa na lang, Coach.
Isa na lang to. Simbulan, second free throw.
Ah.
Yun lang. Yun yung kailangan i-work out ng mga edaran, mga 23 under, mga ganyan. Yung free throws eh.
Opo.
So, maganda yung shooting mo na, pero the problem is your consistency.
Ganda!
The free throw line. Ganda nun. RJ Guerrero to
And
Santos.
Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, Coach, if di ka makashoot, set your teammates up.
Yes, that's right.
It will build your confidence naman eh.
Malay mo, yun yung magpaangat ng kanyang
Yeah.
shooting. We're talking about RJ Guerrero kasi 5 points pa lamang to si RJ Guerrero.
Matalino
Nice
talaga
pass.
to si Boy Tison.
And Yumul inside there.
Boy Tison reminds me of Luka Doncic, Coach.
Ano bang number nito?
77.
Let's take a look at this. play first. Lakas play of the game hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinagligashia.
He's slow, pero alam mo yung slow niya effective. So, parang change of pace lang yung ginagawa niya.
It's somewhat like Luka Doncic, sabi mo nga.
And number 77 pa siya.
Akala ko sasabihin mo parang ano, Prince Alaw maglaro.
Ay, hindi. Lebron kasi.
63-60 our score. 61 there. 63-61. 2-point lead.
Good D.
Guerrero. Alam nila, dedepensa nila to si Guerrero.
Kasi kung papabayaan mo, titirahan ka pa rin yan kahit na sumasablay yan.
8 seconds on the shot.
Tiwala pa rin sa tira niya yan, eh, oh.
Meron pa rin siyang green na light to shoot
Good
here.
pass.
Extra pass, Jigs Guerrero. Bumawi si Hans kay Jigs dito. Ikaw naman ang umiscore inside.
Na grabe yung dalawang big man ng Parañaque Pelicans.
Ito, that lakas moments of the game ay atin sa inyo ng 0107 Management Group Incorporated.
Parang salitan lang sila eh. Oh, you feed me earlier, I feed you now.
Alam mo sa basketball, di ba meron tayong tinatawag na Bruce Brothers? Ito yung literal na Bruce Brothers. Kasi magkapatid, tapos bumangga ka, mahihirapan ka sa loob.
And kahit sa height nila, effective sila.
Yes. Parang kung may bumangga ng extra rise 2.0, yung Bo Belga, JR Kinya, parang ganyan eh.
Parang si Jake Gaspay lang yung gano'n.
Jake Gaspay. Parang gano'n eh, no? Nahirapan ka bumangga.
They have to convert this.
Yes, okay, kaya lang, good defense by the Pelicans. This will be all the way for Jello Obuyes.
Good. And nakita natin, magkasabay yung tandem, dalawa.
Yes, even though struggling yung parehas, andun pa rin yung confidence ni Coach Cesar Babasa sa kanilang dalawa.
Yeah. Kasi, katulad ng sinabi ko, Coach, hindi man sila nakaka-score. They're setting their teammates up.
Eto, Simbulan naman ngayon. And Simbulan score. So, it's Simbulan and Buitison kontra dito sa Ubuyes Santos na umuopensa para sa koponan ng Parañaque. That's a good board there. Mula dito kay Buitison. Buitison, may puntos na, may pasa na, may rebound pa.
At dumidepensa pa. Nagulat ako dun kay Simbulan sa layup niya yun. May dribble pala siya. As a big man, medyo mahirap yun. Pero ngayon kasi sa basketball ngayon, halos lahat ng big man kaya na mag 3 points, kaya nang dala ng bola, like Kevin Kiambao.
Oo, Kiambao.
Even Mike Phillips pala.
You're Mike Phillips. And then Earl Abadam, di ba mga ganyan eh, no?
If he plays like Luka Doncic, bro.
Yun, di ba? Buitison na naman, nakascore.
Sobrang finesse niya lang.
Ito kay Guerrero. Still no good for Guerrero. Look at that.
Santos. They have to go down on defense now. Ay no, si Simbulan, big man, pero parang guardia,
Nice pass! Dimla with the score!
Good pass! Isa na lang. Ang ganda ng larong to. Ganda ng laban na to.
Ito ngayon update natin kay Buitison. Triple-double, watch ba to? 19.6 rebounds, 8 assists. Almost a double-double na ngayon para dito kay CJ Buitison.
It's a Luka Doncic stats, Coach.
Stat numbers yan. Guerrero throws up a prayer. Still no good for him.
Grabe.
Look at that. Santos, another rebound and a stick back.
Believe ako kay Guerrero. Grabe yung kumpiyansa niya. Titira ko to. Shooters shoot.
Yun yun ang calling card mo eh. Shoot, tira, scorer ka.
Buitison.
Ito, Buitison.
Hanap na kakampi. Naagaw ni Guerrero.
And that's a foul there. Guerrero will be called for that.
Yun lang. Sumabit.
Masyado siya naggigil doon eh. Yung tinapik pa niya, no? Imbis na diniretso na lang niya, pwede sanang ma-let go yun. Let's take a look at that play once again. Ayun eh, no? Inangatan pa niya ng kamay.
Feeling ko nakalaban ko na to si Guerrero eh.
Sa mga ibang laro?
Kasi familiar yung mukha niya eh. Feeling ko nakalaban ko na siya. Either the time when I was in Beda pa.
And Yamson will be shooting 2 free throws here.
He has to make these 2 free throws.
Siya.
4 minutes and 22 seconds with 3.
Cesar Babasa not happy with that call there. And habang tumitira ng dalawang free throw, ito si Yamson. Let's listen into this report mula kay MJ Raimundo. MJ.
Thank you, Alvin and more. Jurenal Yamson, one of the product ng Louis Duan Kapampangan during the semifinals last season. Siya daw ang dahilan bakit sila nakapasok ng semis. When I asked him kung ano ba ang naging takeaway niya na dadalhin niya ngayon season, sabi niya they will just remain dominant at yung chemistry nila as a team, yun daw yung panghahawakan nila para manalo every game. Lahat naman daw ay mahirap kalabanan kaya they will double their effort at through experience na lang din daw nila gagawin yon. Back to you, Alvin and more.
Thank you very much, MJ. And that's respect for you. Sinasabi ni Yamson, lahat mahirap kalaban. And that's true kasi whether it be a team na on a rise or nagsisimula pa lang, lahat yan gusto pa rin magpakita dito sa ating SLA Junior Philippines.
Yeah, because this is their time to be exposed eh. And ito na yung pag-stage ng para mapakita nila yung talent nila sa mga coaches, lalo na may coverage tayo mga live and everything.
Oh, nice. Nakaka-play once again by the Pelicans as Claudio Gonzalez scores. Let's take a look at that. Oh, nakaw na naman eh. No? Nawala na naman doon yung depensa ng Louis Duan Kapampangan.
Napansin ko sa kay Coach Babasa, yung mga baseline side inbound nila, puro nakaw-plays eh.
Yes, so hanggat maaaring makuhanan mo ng chance, manakawan mo ng play itong kupunan ng Louis Duan Kapampangan.
Kung kailangan na 6 points, 3 points ang kailangan, Nathaniel Manarang kailangan.
Yes, Manarang now in the ball game. The designated shooter, no? Louis Duan Kapampangan. 3 minutes and 56 remaining here. The drive by, oh, no good there. Para dito kay Buitison. Buitison, another rebound. Oh, not in my house. And here comes Santos. Santos, the pass. Oh, Buyas for 3, wide open. No good still. And Buitison, rebound number 8 here for him.
Nathaniel Manarang, libre sa corner. Ayan na!
Wide open!
Ayan
Money!
Ayan na! Money! Eh, katulad ng sabi ko, Coach, kailangan nila ng 3 points at narinig ako ni Nathaniel Manarang.
Alam mo, parang alam na niya, no? Kung saan siya pupwesto. At binira na niya yung 3-pointer na yun.
Good defense by Sini. Ay, nakuha pa pala.
Nakuha pa rin dito. Jigs Garrido with the ball. Balik dito kay Santos. Santos for 3. And he makes that. And that's what I said. Somewhat like an Ernest Daha. Ganyan ang ginagawa ng ngayong kakampi sa Lasal.
Yeah. May defense, may offense, kompleto.
Rebound sa loob. Mga easy 2 points eh, no? Ito, Buitison. The 3 or Buitison naman. Wala. Rebounded by Querido. Fast break. Villapando kontra Manarang. And Villapando uses his body for the score.
Ano masasabi mo dun sa last possession ni Buitison?
Ay, masyadong madali, no? Si Buitison. He should have just settled it down. And right now, things needs to settle down for Louis Duan Kapampangan as they are down by 8. 78-70.
Management Group Incorporated, Sun Sports, Royce Hotel, and J Project Clothing Shop. Mga kabalan, handa ba kayo para sa ating Kids Camp? Ito na ang pagkakataon magpakita yung pagmamahal sa iyong minamahal. Kiss naman dyan, kuya! Kiss! Yun! Hinalikan si Lola sa noo. Congratulations!
And yan nga po ay brought to you by CDO Food Spear Incorporated Food Bundle Pack na giveaway natin. So the food that brings you home. Thank you very much CDO. Alam mo, yung mga ganong klase, no? Mga sa mga games, no? Ikaw ba nakikita ka ba ng ganyan?
Ano ka?
Pag nakikita ka ba, may mga sa kiss cam?
Ay,
Parang gusto mo i-kiss si Coach Topex, no? Coach, kiss kita.
oh, that's a heat check from Nathaniel Manarang.
Rebounded here. Ito, Santos bringing it down. Oh, three-pointer. Quick trigger, no good. Parang katulad ng ginawa ni Boy Tison, kanina.
They have to convert this, guys.
And we have entered the twilight zone, the last 2 minutes of this matchup. And right now...
This is a good matchup. Nathaniel Manarang and Santos facing each other.
Yes, oo, parehas to eh. Ito, scoring si Manarang. Si Santos naman is more of like a garbage type of a player here.
Yeah.
So Boyes misses that.
Go!
Nice pass, sayang yun.
Parang pampustahan yun, ah. Nakikita ko pampustahan yun, ah.
Ubuyes gets the ball and Ubuyes takes a look at the clock. Sa atin ang oras. Jello. Binigay dito kay Jigs. Jigs, querido.
Good
Nice
pass.
pass.
That's a good
Gonzalez.
pass.
Basket. That's a foul there.
Yung big man ng Parañaque Pelicans, coach, parang point guard din kung pumasa eh.
Let's take a look at that nice pass there inside. And a basket. Para kay Gonzalez.
Parang mga point guard tong big man nila.
As Gonzalez will shoot here.
I think Louis Pampanga should switch. If it's a big to big screen, they have to switch it.
Oo, kasi lumobo na to eh.
Nalilate sila eh.
Ang mahirap dito, lumobo na yung kalamangan dito ng Pelicans sa 10. Pwede pa maging 11 pero that's a miss. It's a 10-point lead. A minute and 15 remaining here. O yung oras hindi na in favor ng Louis Juan Kapampangan.
Boy Tison needs to make a decision here. Good pass! Good pass!
And Yumol!
Oh!
Oy! Ang sakit nun!
That's a
Simbulan inside. Still no good. Boy Tison. And
Mr. Do It All! Boy Tison.
Boy Tison. And we have to check again his stats. I think 9 rebounds na ba ito si Boy Tison. So, roughly around 9 rebounds. Pero Ubuyes binigay dito kay Santos. And Santos playing well again here. And being that much needed help ito si Santos, di ba? As Ubuyes extra pass. And Gonzalez, another basket inside.
Grabe. That last play. Nakikita natin sa replay.
Ganda ng pasa ni Jello Ubuyes sa ilalim kay Gonzalez. Dalawang basket na kagad dyan para dito kay Gonzalez. As our score is 82-74.
Ganda ng setup.
Ganda ng pasa dyan as the Pelicans now are on top by 8 here. 82-74.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
J Project Clothing Shop, our official outfitter of the Sinag Liga Asia. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta dito. And so we are 30 seconds away for this game to end here for Parañaque. It's an 8-point lead para sa kanila. They need to make quick baskets here.
Yeah, and they have to convert it right away.
To Boy Tison.
Manarang is free on the weak side. Ganda.
Yamson. Yun ang problem. Hindi nila nahahanap yung weak side offense nila, no? And Ubuyes gets the ball and he was fouled by Yamson.
As a point guard, you should know where your teammates is.
Yun yung kailangan pang i-workout ito ni CJ Boy Tison. He has been playing well all throughout the ball game. But the problem is, in crucial situations, kulang pa rin yung kanyang decision making.
I feel like kasi CJ Boy Tison was trying to score. Siya lang yung umiscore.
Yes.
Pero kasi dahil nakakolapse sa kanya yung depensa, si Manarang naka-ready na siya sa corner. Just give it to him. He make a one. Bigay na ulit.
Jello Ubuyes makes the second free throw. No good. And RJ Guerrero gets the rebound. And the problem here is teams will now watch out for this Pelican squad. Again, RJ Guerrero, 5 points lamang after scoring 32 points. But lots of players helped out para dito sa Pelicans.
Yeah.
You have Santos, you have the Querido brothers, and you have Jello Buiz to continue to score here. And mahirap kalaban yung isang koponan na tulad ng ganyan na hindi mo alam kung sino pwede. Lahat pwedeng gumawa.
And katulad sa last game nila, Coach, 74 points off the bench. Now I know why.
And even ito si Claudio Gonzalez, 2 inside baskets at the last minute, making it a big lead here para sa kanila.
Pero at the same time, it's a lesson learned for Luwid Kapampangan. Kasi ngayon na nakaramdam na sila ng first game nila, malalaman na nila kung ano yung adjustments na kailangan nilang gawin sa practice and yung sa offense nila and defense nila, mas lalong gaganda.
And hopefully, we can see Lendel Garcia play in that next ball game. So magkakaroon ng isa pang ball handler itong koponan ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan as we end the ball game right now as the Parañaque Pelicans takes home the victory 84-76, 2-0 to start the tournament para dito sa Parañaque Pelicans and Coach Cesar Babasa. Very much relieved na finally natapos ng laro na to in favor of them. Again, our final score is 84-76 and Prince, it has been a good game for Luwid 1 Kapampangan. The problem is their orchestration and their game plan nagkulang pa rin at the latter stages of the fourth quarter.
And it started during the third quarter. Pero now, they learned their lesson. Mas lalo silang babalik na mas malakas.
And right now, kasama na MJ Rimundo, ang ating best player of the ballgame. MJ?
Now I am with the best player of Parañaque Pelicans, Jigs Querido, having a double performance, 15 points, 11 rebounds, and 6 assists. Now, first of all, congratulations, Jigs. Now, my first question is, grabe yung pinakita nyo ngayon. Binaliwala nyo yung performance ng kabila, binaliwala din yung home advantage nila. Ano ba yung naging mentality nyo from first quarter hanggang fourth quarter?
Siguro ano lang sa utak namin ni Coach yung sinasabi niya nga na lamang kami sa experience kasi puro bata yung Luwid 1 na lamang talaga kami sa chemistry kasi matagal na kami magkakampi kaya ayun lang yung advantage namin siguro.
Now, mahaba-haba yung preparation nyo for the next game. Ano sa tingin mo yung biggest takeaway mo ngayon na kaya mong dalhin for sa masusunod yung mga kalaban?
Siguro ngayong long break mag-extra training kami. Sarili-sarili muna training. Yun lang.
Now I'm giving you the floor para batiin or pasalamatan lahat ng sumusuporta sa Parañaque Pelicans.
Binabati ko yung mga sumusuporta sa Parañaque pati yung mga boss sa mga sumuport sa team namin. Tsaka binabati ko yung family ko sa Muntinlupa. Tsaka Coach, tsaka yung girlfriend ko si Daphne, yung courtside reporter dito. Tsaka yung mami ko, para sa ito, pati sa kuya ko. I love you, kuya.
Now, once again, that is Jigs Querido, Parañaque Pelicans. Balik sa inyo, Moore and Alvin.
Thank you very much, MJ. And that was Jigs Querido. Another double-double performance for him and a dominant performance para sa kanya for the season. And yun nga po ating final score, 84-76. And syempre gusto kong pasalamatan na makatrabaho, the shining prince himself, our SLA ambassador, More Prince Alo. Thank you very much for being one of our analysts for today.
Thank you din po, Coach. And grabe, ganda nung game na napanood natin. And sobrang dami kong natutunan din sa kanila kasi yung mga big man nila, grabe yung connection. Siguro dahil sinabi niya matagal na sila magkakasama. Kaya yung chemistry nila is nandun na. Hindi na kailangan ipalakasin pa or what. Pero mas lalo pa sila mag-improve for time to time. And ngayon, next game, siguro mas marami pa tayo makikita mga talent na di pa natin nakikita. Pero ngayon makikita na dahil si nagliga siya.
Yes, and then thank you very much once again, Prince. And 1 game down, 1 more game to go here in your SLA Junior Philippines. It's a battle between TGC, Santa Rosa Saints, and the Hustle Rising Suns sa ating pagbabalik dito po sa inyong SLA Junior Philippines. this has been an SLA Sports production for your Sinag Liga Asia. Muli, magbabalik tayo for the second game. Good day, everyone.